Good morning. To start, sit upright in a comfortable position or lay down, making sure that your head and neck are fully supported. We're going to start our meditation by doing a simple check-in with ourselves. With your eyes closed, just observe. Don't label, don't name, don't make any statements. Simply observe the happenings outside your body and inside your body. When I say breathe, I don't mean to take control of your breathing, but instead observe your breathing. Notice how you're breathing. Is your breath shallow? Is it deep? Pay attention to the rhythm of your breath. But as you do this, make no judgments, make no assumptions about how you should be breathing. We're simply witnessing. Now observe what's going on inside your head. How are you feeling? But the how are you feeling doesn't need to be answered. Just observe how you're feeling. Check in with the rest of your body. Just notice. How do you feel when you're sitting? Maybe there's a tension in the shoulders, or there's a tingling in your hand. Just notice your body's sensations. Don't ascribe anything that says this is right or this is wrong. Everything that you're doing right now is the right thing to do. Everything that your body is doing is the right thing to do. Everything you observe and feel is the right thing to observe and feel. You are simply noticing. Sit with these sensations. Sit with these thoughts. Now notice. You're noticing. Notice the thoughts or statements that are circulating inside your head. But don't judge them. Whether you feel at peace or whether you feel anxious or angsty or uneasy, just notice. Notice the discomfort. Notice the angst. Notice the anxiety, or notice the relaxation. Now shift your attention to what's happening outside your body. Notice the sounds in your room, wherever you are. Notice the sounds outside of your room. But don't judge the sounds. Don't label them. Don't think that they should or should not be there. Just notice. Now observe as you notice the sensations and the happenings inside your body, as well as the sensations and happenings outside of your body. That you're actually quite present. You're not in the past and you're not in the future. You're firmly in the present moment. Now take some time to sit in this silence. And if there are noises and sounds going on around you, allow them. Be fully accepting of everything that is happening outside and inside and deeper inside of you. And I want you to imagine that you are granting space for everything that is happening. This, my friend, is meditation. Congratulations. You are meditating. And you'll notice that you are still thinking, or rather, thoughts are still happening. Meditation is not about eliminating thoughts. It is not about having a blank mind. It is not about no thought. It is simply being present. And by present, we mean not in the past or not in the future. And if you ever, at any point, need to feel presence, need to feel in this moment, if you ever need to pull yourself from the past or pull yourself from thoughts of the future, do these practices. Start by tuning into what's happening around you. Shut your eyes, tune into your sensations, and then just notice the immediate environment around you. This is true meditation. Thoughts will drift in and out of your mind at any point. But think of those thoughts like music playing on a radio way off in the background. You can be aware of the music, you can hear the music, but you're not necessarily tuned into it. You are capable of hearing music in the background and still having a conversation with someone. Treat all comings and goings of your mind like a radio playing in the background. Be completely uninvested and just allow them to be. Now, some thoughts are heavier than others. But here's the thing. All thoughts, every single thought, is equal in weightlessness. What gives thoughts weight is your attention. Some thoughts from conflict, from relationships, will feel heavier. They are heavy because of the attention you give it. moving forward, with time, you will begin to recognize even the most intense thought, the most painful memory. You will be able to observe it as equally weightless as what am I going to eat today? This is the power that resides within you. But we must remember that our mind is a faithful servant, but a terrible master. And it is you, the I, that determines the power that our mind, and by extension, our thoughts, have over us. You will come to a space in your life where you will recognize that the thoughts are just coming and going. And you have the choice to follow or not to follow. And sometimes we will get caught and we will be sucked in and pulled into a particularly engaging thought or a thought that really affects us. But you will also have the power to recognize it and pull yourself out. Congratulations on your first real meditation. Take some time to reconnect with the sensations outside of your mind and body and inside your mind and body. Sit in this silence. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Sit in this silence. Feel the cloud of silence like a blanket. Feel this energy around you. Take a deep breath in and out. Thank you for joining me in this practice. Now, go have yourself a beautiful day.